In this short tutorial, I will be showing you step-by-step instructions on how to get the Lunar New Year chat theme on Instagram. This is an easy and fun way to make your conversations stand out. So make sure to watch this video until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. To get started, open up the Instagram application and then tap on the messenger icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are in your DMs, tap on the conversation that you want to change the chat theme for. And then tap on their name at the top. After that, you'll see an option called Theme. So go ahead and tap on that. And then simply select the Lunar New Year. Once you selected the Lunar New Year theme, go back, and now you'll see that the chat theme has been successfully changed. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.